Hello everyone, welcome to a nice another question, which is x plus y is equal to 100, x into y is equal to 1000. So here we have to find the values of x and y. So let's find its solution. For this we will give this equation 1, and we will name second equation as equation 2. So by equation 1, x plus y is equal to 100, and now here we have to find the value of y. So y will remain here, so y is equal to 100 minus x. This x will go other side, so we will name it as equation 3. So now by equation 2 we have, which is equation 2 is xy is equal to 1000, xy is equal to 1000. So here we will put this value of y in this equation, and we have x into 100 minus x is equal to 1000. So now x will multiply with 100 and minus x, and we get 100x minus x square is equal to 1000. So now we will bring this 1000 on this side, and we will rearrange it. Minus x square plus 100x minus 1000 is equal to 0. So here we have to reduce this minus. So for this we will multiply minus 1 on both sides. And now we will get, so this minus 1 will multiply to each value, and we have x square minus 100x minus this minus and minus will make plus sign, and plus 1000 is equal to minus 1 multiply with 0, so it will remain 0. So here we have to find the value of x. For this we will use a quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root whole divided by 2a. So in this equation we have the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 100, and c is equal to 1000. So now we will put all these values in this quadratic formula. So x is equal to minus into the value of b is minus 100 plus minus square root and minus 100 square minus 4 into the value of a is 1 and c is 1000, and whole divided by 2a, so 2 into 1, because we have the value of a is 1. So now we will solve it further. X is equal to this minus and minus will make plus sign, and we have 100 plus minus 100 will multiply with minus 100, and it will give us 10,000 minus 4 into 1 is equal to 4, and 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000, and whole divided by 2. So next we have 100 plus minus 10,000 minus 4,000 is equal to 6000 and whole divided by 2. So here we know that 6000 is equal to 400 multiplied by 15. So we will put 400 multiplied by 15 at the place of 6000, and we have x is equal to 100 plus minus 400 multiplied by 15 square root all divided by 2. And now we will use here a simple identity, which is a into b square root is equal to a square root into b square root. So we will apply this identity at this part of this equation, and we have 100 plus minus 4 under root into 15 under root all divided by 2. And we know that 400 is equal to 20 square. So now we will put 20 square at the place of 400 in this expression, and we have x is equal to 100 plus minus 20 square root into 15 whole divided by 2. This square will cancel on this under root, and we have 100 plus minus 20 into 15 and whole divided by 2. So now we have to reduce these two. So far this we will check if we have 2 in the denominator. So now we will bring out 2 as a common number, and we get x is equal to 2 into 50 plus minus 10 into 15 whole divided by 2. So both 2 will cancel each other, and next we have x is equal to 50 plus minus 10 into 15. So here we have two signs, which means we have these two equations. So we will name it x1 is equal to 50 plus 10 into 15, and x2 is equal to 50 minus 10 into 15. So if we have two values of x, which is x1 and x2, so now we will find the two values of y. So for this we will use the equation 3, that is y is equal to 100 minus x. So y is equal to 100 minus x. So we will put these twos in at the place of this x, and we will get both values of y1 and y2. So y1 is equal to 100 minus 50 plus 10 into 15 square root, and y2 is equal to 100 minus 50 minus 10 into 15. So now we will solve both these values one by one, and we have 100 minus 50 plus 10 into 15. So y1 is equal to 50 plus 10 into 15. And now we will solve y2's equation, and which is 100 minus 50 minus plus 10 into 15. So y2 is equal to 100 minus 50 is equal to 50 plus 10 into 15. No. So here we have minus, and so now we have x1 is equal to 50 plus 10 into 15, and x2 is equal to 50 minus 10 into 15. Same as y1 is equal to 50 plus 10 into 15. y2 is equal to 50 minus 10 into 15. So this is our answer. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for further new lessons. Thank you.